Fact or myth? Fish don't bite in the rain. In this episode of Dan's Oregon Fishing, you'll find out! Well, this is a good one. He's still on there. Oh, first big one of the day. On the power bait eggs. Oh, beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Alright guys, today's bait setup. Berkeley Power Eggs. Already caught one 17-inch, 2-pound rainbow trout, which is going to make a wonderful dinner this week. Let's see if we can't snag some more. Hey look, it's starting to rain. Maybe I should go inside. Or maybe I should be an Oregonian and keep on fishing. Well, I'm on one, guys. Oh no. No, 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 no. Oh. What was that? That was freaking huge. So what do you think, guys? Should I act like all the Florida fishers and go run and hide right now? Or should I act like a true Oregonian and keep on fishing? I guess I'm going to keep on fishing. Yep, that's right. Oh, that's a nice one. Oh. Ooh, that's a beauty. Ooh, that's a big one. Oh, no. Nope. Ah, almost got away. Oh, that's a beast. Oh. Oh, nope, nope. No, 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 no. Okay. Ah, bleeding. Teeth. Okay. Okay, you got it. Is that my blood or your blood? I gotta get this guy back up to the truck. Oh my gosh. Oh. Oh. Damn. You're not going anywhere near that water. There's another bite. Yep, there's one. Oh, it's another big one. Another one. That's 3. Well, that wraps up another day out here on the water. Caught 3 good-sized trout. I was hoping for a little more, but hey, I can't argue. My biggest was 17 pounds? I meant 17 inches. Could you imagine a 17-pound trout? I think that's a salmon. Well, anyway, don't forget to hit that like button. And, hey, while you're at it, subscribe. I'll catch you guys next week.